I'm going to take a balloon, rub it against my hair, and make that can move. Ready? Okay, well it stopped moving. And bye balloon. Okay. The reason it does that is because if you use a remote controller, it basically you would pile up electrons on one thing and then use them to attract the protons in something else. When you rub a balloon, well, when I rub the balloon on my hair, it ends up loaded with electrons, and those electrons can attract the protons in the can. And the protons in a trickle of water, the protons in my hair or the protons on the wall would make that move. So that's how I made the soda can move, and I hope you enjoy. Adios.